Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for the best bike for your daughter, then take a look at this by RULLY. They did a great job of providing a awesome high caliber bike for us. My daughter can take it on all of her outdoor family trips and have a great time. It's a bike we can rely on. It comes with so many bells and whistles, like this front basket. It's so cute, this wicker basket. A great braking system, a kickstand, a bell, soft handlebars, a handheld brake, and a place for her dolly to sit right behind her. This is fun too. This 20-inch wheel and the adjustable seat along with the adjustable handlebars make it nice for her to be able to grow as she uses this. It fits her body perfectly. So you can adjust that. And also it has the cool coaster brakes. That's where you pedal backwards and it stops. So it makes it nice for anyone learning. It came 85% assembled with some basic tools to assemble the rest, and it really was nicely packaged. It comes with training wheels, and everything about this bike has been a wonderful addition to our family. We really do love it, but that's just my point of view.